In this video, we'll discuss how to solve algebraic equation in MATLAB or Octave. In MATLAB, we have two functions, solve and root. Here I am showing you how to use solve function. In solve function, if we write any equation within a single quote, it will solve the equation, it will give the answer. Here I am using solve within single quote x minus 10 equals to 0. So that is the equation, it will give the answer 10. Similarly, you can write solve within bracket x minus 1 single quote. So now you will get the solution x equals to 5. The same thing you can do just by declaring a variable x equals to solve within single quote. You have to write the equation, you will get x equals to 9. We can solve quadratic equation also. Here you can directly pass the equation in the solve function, or you can declare a variable and then you can pass this variable in the solve function. So here r equals to solve equation, it will create a vector, column vector r 3 4. So that means these are the roots of this equation. To access the first root r1, to access the second root you can use r2. We can use roots function also. To use the root function, you have to pass the coefficient vector. Here, this is the equation. So the coefficient is 1, minus 7, 12. So that's why you have to pass 1, minus 7 and 12. So it will find out the root of this equation. Similarly here, there is no first order means coefficient. So on that time you will pass 0. So here the first coefficient is 3, second coefficient is nothing, so that's why 0, third coefficient is minus 12. So 3 0 minus 12, so it will find out the root of this equation. Similarly, we can solve any higher order equation also. Now to check whether the solution is correct or not, I have used some expand function. First we have declared a variable symbol x. Now I have used x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 and x minus 6 because these are the root of this equation. So now if I write expand this, on that time it will give the same result. So by using expand function we can expand any equation. We can solve a equation having multiple variables and we will get the solution for a particular variable. Here 1 by a plus equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. I want to find out the solution for variable f. So it will give the solution for f. So f equals to 1 divided by 1 by u plus 1 by v. In this way we can solve any equation for a particular variable. We can solve system equations also. So here r equals to solve within brackets, so that is the first equation x plus y equals to 20, second equation separated by comma x minus y equals to 10. So it will create the variable r. So it consists of two variables x and y. So if I write r dot x, it will give the value for x. If I write a r dot y, it will give the value for y. To solve any number of linear system equation, first thing we have to do, we have to rearrange all these equations in such a way that all the unknown variables will be in the left side and the known constants are in the right side. Then we'll create the coefficient matrix of these equations, unknown vector and the known constant vector. Then we'll use backslash operator to get the solution. Let's take an example. Here I have declared three symbols x, y, z. Then this is the coefficient matrix for these three equations. Then this is the unknown vector. This is the b constant vector. Now we'll use x equals to a backslash b. We'll get the solution for x. X equals to 3.442. Y equals to 3.1982. Z equals to 1.1868. To check whether it is working or not, I am using c equals to a multiplied by x. So we'll get c equals to 1029. So that is equivalent to b. So the b equals to 1029. So same result we are getting here. We can expand any equation, but before that you have to declare the symbol first. So you can declare in two ways. You can write syms sims x, or you can write y equals to sim within single quote y. So it will declare two symbol x and y. So now to expand anything, use the expand function within single bracket, write down the expression, on the time it will expand it. Similarly here you can see in this way we can expand any equation. By using factor you can find any factor of any equation. Similarly we can simplify other equations also. We can do same thing in octave also, but before that you have to install symbolic package in octave. First declare the symbol and then use the solve function to solve any equation. Otherwise you will get some error message like that. We can solve the quadratic equation also. Here x square equals to 9, so it will give two solution minus 3 and 3. But we can add some constraint also. I want to find the roots that are greater than 0, so on the time it will give only one solution, x equals to 3. Similarly, you can solve linear equations also. So here we have first two linear equation, x plus y equals to 30, x minus y equals to 10, and we want to get solution for two unknown variable x and y. So it will give the solution for x and y. In this way, we can solve any equation in MATLAB as well as Octave.